What's up everyone, it's time once again for my weekly watch list. In this video I'll give you my favorite setups, my thought process, and my game plan for the upcoming week. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. A very simple strategy going into this coming week. The levels I have are super easy to understand, and keep in mind everyone, I'm working on a very detailed video for you all to show you all exactly how to enter on trend, whether it's going up or down. You can expect that this week before I leave on vacation. So what I'm looking for this week, I want to come down on SPY, fill this gap at 422.9. Okay, I want to bounce. So I want to look for calls in this area. The only reject area I see on SPY that is even close is this 430 area for puts. Keep in mind, when we're entering a reject and uptrend, especially a strong uptrend like we're forming, I tend to scalp. This is something to keep in mind there. Just be sure you're managing your trade. This is not a reject I would walk off and leave. Maybe wait on some confirmation, okay? My XPX levels, I have updated them. You can see all of them here. I'm looking for the same gap fill as I was on SPY on SPX. Keep in mind, I'm always watching SPX while trading SPY. It's not hard to do, just pull it up side by side, watch your levels like I have created here. Never take puts on SPY above support on SPX, and never take calls below resistance on SPX. Very simple tip that will keep you from getting stopped out early. Guess that's depending on your risk tolerance or whatever your stop loss is set at, but typically will make you stop out when you don't need to. Just be patient, wait on the levels to align. But this gap fills at 4232.4 on SPX. I want to see SPY, SPX, pull down, fill this gap. You can try calls here on SPX or SPY, whichever one you prefer to trade. Me personally, I like SPY. People ask me why I like SPY. I like the spreads on it. The spreads are very tight. It's very easy to get filled with larger position. I know they say that SPX has its tax advantages. Not something I've personally looked into, but I guess whatever you personally like to trade. For me, this 4300 area of interest hopefully aligns with our level on SPY for reject. 4300 to 4308 area for puts. We'll see what we look like when we get up there. Now, for all my future traders, you can clearly see that we broke structure here, right? We broke up on ES. Now, same thing, same exact thing across the board. I want to see a pullback to that level for a possible long entry, okay? Very simple game plan this week. I'm not going to complain. I like to keep my trading simple as possible, and this week is just going to be one of them weeks where the levels are easy to identify, and they're going to be easy to confirm, right? Some people like to wait on a nice reversal candle. Some people watch, flip and volume. Whatever your trading plan tells you is your criteria for a trade or reversal or bounce, retest. That's what you need to be watching for on these levels this week. Now, I do have an individual stock on watch. Jay Dunn's really going to love this one. But the setup's there. I really like it. Take a look at BA, a very familiar stock. I'm not one to trade patterns, but we broke out of this triangle. Now, I want to see this come back down, retest right here. This would be an area to look to try some calls at on BA. Really like this like 205 if I had to give it an exact number for a possible call entry on a pullback. What you want to see here on a breakout like this, you want to see a nice push up, pullback, retest, possibly pick up whatever orders was left behind in that area when we broke out, then the continuation, right? Very simple game plan this week. I hope these levels help you all out. Always come back to me if you don't understand something, or if you feel like you messed up on one of these trades at one of my levels. Maybe I can help you out. And that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.